Okay, we've got early morning box break I'm going to do today with myself, Stephen Logan, Joe McKay and Ben Caddy. All our names are on a card to draw the order. Okay, so I'm going to draw the order first. So first pack's going to be for Joe, he's number 1. Second pack will go to myself. Third pack will be for Ben, which means Stephen, you're pack 4. Okay. So it's Panini Rookies and Stars 2014. Joe's keen on the nice Super Bowl inserts in these. So get this open. Be 4 hits, so we're going to get 1 each. We'll work out all the trade in afterwards. I'll just go through them pack at a time. Okay. Try and get this done under the 20 minutes Facebook limit. So here we go. We'll start at the front. So pack 1, Joe McKay. Starting us off. See what we get. Right, Joe. Top card is a Greg Jennings base card, Vikings. Followed by Calvin Johnson of the Lions. Nick Foles of the Eagles. And first hit is a Buffalo Bills autograph, Joe McKay. This is Cyrus Kouandjio. Never heard of him. Have to look him up. Bills offensive tackle. Just seeing guess what round he was drafted. Anyway, this first hit, Joe McKay, going into your pile. You've also got rookie card of Jake Matthews of the Falcons. Rookie card of Ed Reynolds of the Eagles. Another rookie card, the Anthony Thomas of the Chiefs. Rookie card, Taj Boyd of the Jets. And well, these Super Bowl Kid Reporter things which I don't think are much use. Right, so that's Joe, pack 1. Next is myself, so I'll stay on the same side. First pack for me. And top card, Darren McFadden, Raiders. Start for me. JJ Watt, Texans. And Crusade insert, without Joe, Richard Sherman. So that one's in my pile. Soon to be leaving, I'm sure. Richard Sherman Crusade insert. Brandon Marshall, the Bears. But this one's might got a gloss to it, or it looks like a longevity. It's got the longevity worded, so there's a parallel. Rookie card to me, Scott Crichton, Vikings. Mike Evans, the Bucks. Marcus Smith, Eagles. And Kyle Fuller of the Bears. And the Super Bowl Kid Reporter cards, which must be in every one. So that's my first pack. Over to Ben. Pack 1 for you, Ben. And top of the pile, Eric Decker of the Jets. Ryan Tannehill, Dolphins. Ryan Matthews, the Chargers. Block card, which we can use to put your names on. First Super Bowl insert for Ben, Monty Ball of the Broncos. So not a Seahawks one yet, Joe. Gemma might like that one, or might not want to remember. Right. Rookie cards. Jerick McKinnon of the Vikings. Jadeveon Clowney, Texans. Dry Archer, Steelers. And David Fales of the Bears. Okay, and another Kid Reporter card, which you're more than welcome to have. So that's Ben's first pack. Staying on the same side, Stephen's first pack. And on the top, Stephen, Ben Tate, the Browns. Demarius Thomas, the Broncos. Next hit. Well, Greg Robinson of the Rams, offensive tackle. So might not think too great, but numbering is pretty low. Okay, 6 of 10. So quite a low numbered one there. And a Ram. Matt Dench might quite like that one. So I might be able to do something with that one, Stephen. Okay, finish off with Ryan Cahill, Probo insert. Rookies, Cody Latimer, Broncos. Sammy Watkins, Bills. Mike Davis, Raiders. Marcus Roberson of the Rams. Okay, and the Kid Reporter. So that's Stephen's first pack. So we'll have one each. Back to the second pack. Joel again. Second pack for you. And on the top, you start off with Matthew Stafford, Lions. Rashad Jennings, Giants. Denarius Moore, Raiders. And we've got the next hit as well. Jace Amaro of the Jets, rookie jersey card. See that one numbered to 99. Okay, so hits coming out in your side at the moment. Rookie cards. Cody Ely of the Panthers. Jeremy Hill of the Bengals. Jackson Jeffcoat, Seahawks, one for you. And Dante Moncrief of the Colts. Okay, Kid Reporter. So, that's your second one, Joe. You've had a hit in each of yours, I think. So, back to myself. Next pack of box. And on the top for myself, Andre Johnson, Texans. Chris Ivory of the Jets. Another Crusade insert. Devontae Adams, the Packers. Draft class insert. Odell Beckham. Might interest Ben. And then rookie cards, I've got Devontae Adams again of the Packers. Chris Borland, 49ers. Bruce Ellington, 49ers. Michael Sam, formerly of Rams. And a Kid Reporter, obviously in every pack. So that's my second pack. So next up it's Ben. Same side again, going down. Top card Ben, Trent Richardson, Colts. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Jordan Cameron, Browns. Another brick, Ben's getting all the bricks. Rookies, AJ McCarron, the Bengals. Lewis Nix, the third, for the Texans. Khalil Mack, whichever way you pronounce it, for the Raiders. Jason Verrett, Chargers. And Jace Amaro of the Jets. Okay, Kid Reporter. So, Ben's next one. Back to Stephen. Next pack. Okay, top card, Stephen. Peyton Manning, Broncos. Giovanni Bernard, Bengals. Crusade insert, Trent Richardson, the Colts. Okay. Rookie card, again it's a longevity parallel, but it's Tom Savage of the Texans. We've also got Devontae Freeman, rookie card, Falcons. Darqueze Bernard, Bengals. Charles Sims of the Bucks, and Brett Smith of the Bucks. Okay, and the kid reporter. That's yours, Stephen. Back round for the third time. Joe McKay. Another one for you. Okay, top of the pack is Victor Cruz, Giants, Matt Shaw, Raiders, Arian Foster, Texans, Geno Smith, again it's one of the, if you can see the longevity parallel cards, they're not numbered that I can see, so. And then rookie cards, Blake Bortles, Jags, Logan Thomas, Cardinals, Kelvin Benjamin, the Panthers, and Jarvis Landry, Dolphins. Okay, so that's next one for Joe. Myself, next pack, next box, and top card, Geno Smith, the Jets, Hakeem Nicks, Colts, Phillip Rivers, Chargers, and another jersey card, Dry Archer of the Steelers. What a nice patch, and this one's numbered to 25. That's quite nice. Rookie cards, Isaiah Crowell of the Browns, Derek Carr, Raiders, that guy again, Cyrus Kouandjio of the Bills, and Carlos Hyde for the 49ers, and the kid reporter. So that's mine. Now we're back to Ben. Your pack, Ben. And top card, Josh Gordon, Browns. CJ Spiller, Bills. Bengals, AJ Green. Yet another one, Ben. Nearly got a full set. Oh, nice one for you now though. Andre Williams, Giants. This one is numbered out of 99. Okay. So it's another sort of longevity parallel. The numbering is there. Okay, so that's not bad. Finishing off with rookie cards, Brandon Coleman of the Saints, Bishop Sankey, Titans, and Andre Williams, Giants, and Kadeem Carey of the Bears. Okay, and kid reporter. That's Ben's, couple of Giants in there. Stephen next up, halfway through the box. And you start with Brandon Marshall of the Bears, Sean Green, Titans, another Crusade, this is Logan Thomas, Cardinals. Then we've got another Super Bowl insert, and it's another Bronco, Julius Thomas. Okay. Then rookies, Jared Abbrederis of the Packers. Another Packers. Haha! Clinton Dix. And Deone Buchanan of the Cardinals. And Cyril Richardson, Bills. Kid reporter. Okay, so halfway through the box, back we go again. Back to Joe. First pack on the other side of the box. And top card, Alden Smith, 49ers. Frank Gore, 49ers. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. Getting on the Niners, Joe. Brick card. Ben might want that to go with his others. Another Super Bowl insert, another Denver Bronco. We're not pulling the Seahawks, are we, Joe? Okay, Demarius Thomas this time. So we've got 3 Broncos, I think. Rookie cards, Josh Huff, the Eagles. Yoan Smallwood, Falcons. Troy Nicholas, the Cardinals. And Tom Savage, Texans. Okay, and the Kid Reporter. So that's Joe racking up the 49ers and Broncos Super Bowl insert. Okay, myself again. Top card is Richard Sherman. This looks like your pack, Joe. Richard Sherman, Seahawks. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. Crusade insert, Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Then I've got Pro Bowl of Jimmy Graham, Saints. And rookie cards of Telvin Smith, the Jags. Stefan Tuitt of the Steelers. Rashid Hageman of the Falcons. And Martavis Bryant of the Steelers for the Kid Reporter. Okay, that's my next one. Then we come to Ben again. Back at the front, Ben. And top card for you, Russell Wilson, Seahawks. Sam Bradford, Rams. Mark Ingram, Saints. And then you've got a draft class, Taylor Lewin, the Titans. Then you've got rookie cards of LaMarcus Joyner of the Rams, Jordan Matthews of the Eagles, James White, Patriots, and Trent Murphy of the Redskins. And a Kid Reporter card. So that goes back again to Stephen, back at the front. Okay, top of the pack, Cam Newton, Panthers. Cordarrelle Patterson of the Vikings. Alfred Morris of the Redskins. Another Crusade insert of the Anthony Thomas of the Chiefs. Okay, but this one is numbered, another low numbered one, 16 of 25. See that? So it could be like a, looks like a gold, maybe a gold parallel version. Okay, quite nice looking. Finish off with rookies of Timmy Jernigan of the Ravens, ideal. Teddy Bridgewater, Vikings. Shane Skolf, 49ers. And Paul Richardson, Seahawks. Okay, and a Kid Reporter. So that's yours, Stephen. Back again to Joe, after some more 49ers and Broncos, I'm sure. Another pack go. Okay. Top card, Eli Manning, Giants. Kendall Wright, Titans. Percy Harvin, Seahawks. Brick card, Paul Richardson, Seahawks. Marquise Lee, Jags. Lachey Seastrunk, Redskins. Johnny Manziel of the Browns. And Jalen Saunders of the Jets, the Kid Reporter. So that's yours, Joe. Next up is myself. Trying to get this under the 20 minutes, just keeping an eye on the time. Hopefully we'll make it. Okay, top card for me, Zach Stacy of the Rams. Andre Ellington of the Cardinals. Another Crusade, Devontae Freeman, Falcons. Then I've got rookie card, James Wilder Jr. of the Bengals. And again, it's one of these longevity parallels, numbered. Eric Ebron of the Lions. Tevin Reese of the Chargers. Taylor Lewin of the Titans. and Shaq Evans of the Jets, the kid reporter. So that's my one. Next up, Ben. The one for Ben. Okay, top card Ben. Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Darrelle Revis, Patriots. Andrew Luck, Colts. Then you have a Pro Bowl insert of Patrick Peterson, the Cardinals. Okay, no numbering on it. Then you've got Calvin Pryor of the Jets, Brandon Cooks of the Saints, Austin Seferian-Jenkins of the Bucks, and Allen Robinson of the Jags, the kid reporter. Okay, I don't know if we're going to get under 20 minutes here. Stephen, you're next. Get this one. And we have got Doug Martin of the Bucks, Julius Thomas, Broncos, Anquan Boldin, Crusade insert, 49ers. Got a Jake Matthews draft class insert, Aaron Donald rookie, James Wilder Jr. rookie, Greg Robinson rookie, and a D Ford rookie Super Bowl reporter card. Okay, we have got one pack each left. So next one, back to Joe. Last pack to Joe. Top of the pack, Robert Woods of the Bills, Andy Dalton of the Bengals, Jay Cutler of the Bears, Rick Card, another Johnny Manziel, the Browns, Connor Shaw of the Browns, CJ Mosley, the Ravens, Bradley Roby, Broncos, Anthony Barr, the Vikings, and a reporter card. Got last pack for Joe. Last pack coming up for myself. So we've got 3 to go. Take the top one out. And Michael Crabtree, 49ers. Antonio Brown, the Steelers. Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Storm Johnson, great name, of the Jags, sort of a longevity rookie. I've got Ahmad Dixon, Cowboys. Aaron Murray, the Chiefs. AJ McCarron, Bengals skin. And Zach Martin of the Cowboys, and a kid reporter. That's my final pack. Final pack for Ben. 2 to go. Top card, Jamal Charles of the Chiefs, Vincent Jackson of the Bucks, Wes Welker, Broncos. Then we have got another hit, AJ McCarron, rookie jersey card. It is not numbered. Okay, there's that one. Then rookie card, Zach Mettenberger, Xavier Su'a-Filo, Trey Mason, and Terrence West. Okay, and the kid reporter. So that's yours, Ben. And last pack to Stephen. Next box, last pack. And I think I might have gone over time, so I might be YouTube this one. EJ Manuel of the Bills. Alshon Jeffrey of the Bears. Derek Carr, Crusade insert, Raiders. Quite like that. Longevity parallel of Julio Jones, the Falcons. Rookie card, Storm Johnson of the Jags. Ryan Shazier, Steelers. Michael Campanaro, Ravens. And LaDainian Washington, the Cowboys. and your kid reporter. So that's the whole box done. I can't remember if we've got 4 hits. There are 5 out of the lot, but we'll go through them in a minute, and I'll get the video up. Might have to go up on YouTube, but I'll send you all the link, and we'll sort out any trades for that. Catch you soon.